Good morning, students. Today we are going to start exercise 2.3, and that is about solve the equation and check the answer. Check the answer means whenever you are getting the value of any variable that you have to substitute in the both the sides, LHS and RHS. So let's do it. First of all, 5t minus 3 is equal to 3t minus 5. So therefore 5t minus 3t. Oh, this is plus 3, okay? It becomes negative and it is transposed. Is equal to minus 5 plus 3. Therefore, 5t minus 3t means 5 minus 3. That is 2t. 2t is equal to minus plus minus. Now see, here 5 minus 3 2, but sign of bigger number. Therefore, if 2t is equal to minus 2, so t is equal to minus 2 upon 2. 2 to cut. And therefore, t is equal to minus 1. Now we have to substitute the value of t in both the sides. Okay? So, here your LHS is 5t minus 3. Okay, now put the value of t. Therefore, 5, value of t is minus 1, minus 3. Therefore, 5 ones are 5, but sign of minus. Minus minus plus. So here answer is minus 8. Now go for the RHS. In RHS what you have? 3t minus 5. Therefore 3, value of t is minus 1. 3 ones are, so minus 3 minus 5. Again minus 8. Thus LHS is equal to RHS. This way you have to do the sum. Finding value of variable, then you have to substitute into the both side. Now look at here. The next one is eight x plus 4 as it is will keep, because here we have been given a bracket x minus y. So you have to multiply this bracket with the 3. So 3x minus 3 plus 7. Therefore 8x plus 4 is equal to 3x. Now minus plus minus, 7 minus 3 4, but sign of bigger number. Now taking the variables, 8x plus 3 becomes minus 3 is equal to 4 minus 4. Therefore 5x is equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to 0 upon 5, and therefore x is equal to 0. Now this value you have to substitute into the bracket. LHS, that is 8x plus 4. 8, value of x is 0 plus 4. 8 into 0 means 0 plus 4. Therefore, your LHS is 4. Now RHS, that is 3x minus 1 plus 7. Now look at here. Therefore 3, 0 minus 1 plus 7. Therefore 3, 0 minus 1 means minus 1 only, plus 7. 3 ones are 3, so minus 3 plus 7. Minus plus minus, 7 minus 3 4. You can see that both the sides are equal. Thus LHS is equal to RHS. So whenever you are told that find the equation and check the answer, at that time only you have to go for substitution. So this is exercise 2.3's question number 1. We'll be taking some more sums also. Take a look. Now moving ahead. 3m is equal to 5 minus 8 upon 5. Sum number 9, that is 2y plus 5 upon 3 is equal to 26 upon 3 minus y. We have to do with the same method. First of all, let's start. Therefore, 3m. Now see, this 5m is positive. It becomes negative. Is equal to minus 8 upon 5. Now you have to do 3 minus 5. And as you know, student, the value, the sign of 5 is already bigger. Okay? Therefore, 3 minus 5 means minus 2m is equal to minus 8 upon 5. Now here both the sides having the same sign. So minus minus plus. Therefore 2m is equal to 8 upon 5 and therefore m is equal to 8 upon 5 into 1 upon 2. Okay? As you know that multiplication changes to division. Therefore, m is equal to 8 ones are 8, 5 twos are 10. So, m is equal to 8 upon 10. You can reduce this with the 2 fours are and 5s are. Therefore, m is equal to 4 upon 5. Now, we have to substitute this value of m into both the sides. So, LHS, that is 3m. Therefore, 3 into 4 upon 5. 3 fours are 12. So, 12 upon 5. Now, you have RHS. RHS also should be same 12 upon 5. Otherwise, answer will be wrong. So, let's do it. RHS. Now, RHS is 5m minus 8 upon 5. Therefore, 5 into 12 upon 5 minus 8 upon 5. Now, here try to understand. 5 cut. Therefore, what is left? 12 minus 8 upon 5. Now, 12 minus 8 means 4 upon 5. Thus, LHS is equal to RHS. Here it is proved. Now we are going to solve this one. You see here, this minus 5 will be taken to the left side. Okay? Because here bigger number is given. So we should not take 26 upon 3 first here. You have to see that, okay, the number. So, first of all, 2y plus y is equal to 26 upon 3. Now, plus 5 upon 3 becomes minus. Okay. Now, 2y plus y means 2 plus 1, that is 3y. Here, your denominator is same, so take it common, 3 and 26 minus 5. Therefore, 3y is equal to 21 upon 3. 3 ones and 7. Therefore, 3y is equal to 7 and therefore y is equal to 7 upon 3. Now, you have to substitute the value of y in both this equation. Okay, so let's do it. 2y plus 5 upon 3. Therefore, 2 into 7 upon 3 plus 5 upon 3. Therefore, 2 sevens are 14 upon 3 plus 5 upon 3 is equal to 19 upon 3. Now, let's take the RHS side. RHS RHS 26 upon 3 minus y. Therefore, 26 upon 3 minus value of y is 7 by 3. Here also 3 common, 26 minus 7, and therefore 26 minus 7 students means 19 upon 3. Thus, LHS is equal to RHS. So this way, this is all about our exercise 2.3. Remember students, you have to here find the value of variable and then you have to substitute the value into both the sides, LHS and RHS. Both the sides should be same. Okay? So this is about exercise 2.3. Now students, exercise 2.4 problem sums. Here we have to use logic approach. Means we have to here understand properly to the question because we have to frame here equation before solving the sum. Now let's look at the question. Amina thinks of a number. Okay, you have to find your number only. So let's suppose that number is x and subtract 5 by 2 from it. From it means from x only. Subtract 5 by 2. So x minus 5 by 2. She multiplies the result by 8. So x minus 5 by 2 is 8. Now the result obtained is 3 times. 3 times means 3x. Your equation is done. Now, first of all, we will say let the number thought by Amina is x. Now, according to question, our equation is 8 into x minus 5 by 2 is equal to 3x. Therefore, now you have to multiply x and 5 by 2 with 8. So 8 into x, 8x minus 8 into 5 by 2 is equal to 3x. Therefore, 8x, 2 1s are into 4s are. Now see, 4 5s are 20. So 8x minus 20 is equal to 3x. Therefore, now changing the sign, 3x we take to the, here are LHS, 8x minus 3x. Negative 20 becomes positive. 8 minus 3, 5x. 5x is equal to 20. And therefore, x is equal to 20 upon 5. 5 1s are and 4s are. Therefore, x is equal to 4. Thus, the number thought by Amina is 4. So this way students, you have to solve the sum. First of all, you have to understand the question. If you fail to understand the question, you will never get right equation. Okay? So you have to fully solve the sum in a proper manner, thinking lot while framing the equations. Just take a look. And now sum number 2, let's understand the question. Here you can see students, positive number is 5 times another number. Okay? Positive number is 5 times another number. So suppose if you have that number, other number is x. Okay? So your positive number will be 5 times means 5x. Now in the question, if 21 is added to both the numbers, means you have to add 21 to x also and 5x also. So first of all, let the other number be x. Okay. Now positive number is 5 times. Therefore, positive number is equal to 5. Now 21 is added to both the numbers. 21 is added to both the numbers. Okay. So 5x plus 21 and x plus 21, because right now we have two numbers, x and 5x. Now 80q according to question, 5x plus 21 is equal to, now you have to read this line, one of the new number becomes twice. Twice means 2. So 5x plus 21 is equal to 2 into x plus 21. Therefore, 5x plus 21 is equal to, multiply the bracket with 2, 2x plus 42. Therefore, 5x, this 2x will be negative, this 21 will be negative. So 5x minus 2x is equal to 42 minus 21. Therefore, 3x is equal to 21, and therefore x is equal to 21 upon 3. 1 and 7. So x is equal to 7. You got the value of x. Okay, it means the other number. Thus, the first number or other number, you can write whatever, okay? The first number is equal to x is equal to 7, and second number is equal to 5x is equal to 5 into 7 is equal to 35. So the required number is 7 and 35. So this way you have to solve the sum. Remember, whenever you are supposing the numbers and you are getting the value of any variable, here you can see that we have supposed two numbers. First of all x and then 5x. Okay. So whenever we are getting the value of variable, we have to substitute that, okay, to the supposed equation. So this is problem sum number 2. Just take a note. And now sum number 5, that is about ages. This kind of sum becomes complicated to understand because we are not paying sincere attention. So let's try to understand. It's very easy. See, here first of all what you have to find? Age. Now Saroj's mother's present age is 6 times. Okay, 6 times means you should understand that is 6x. 6 times Saroj's present age. Now here you see present age of Saroj is not given, so we suppose it as x. Okay. Once again, Saroj's mother means mother's age is 6 times compared to daughter's age. So suppose daughter's age is x, so definitely mother will be 6x. Now Saroj's age 5 years from now. See, Saroj's age 5 years from now means like after 5 years. Okay, so you should understand 5 years from now. Now suppose the age of Saroj is x years, so after 5 it will be x plus 5. Will be 1/3. 1/3. 1/3 means 1 upon 3 of his mother's present age, and present age is 6x. So 82 is, according to question, what we have to write? that we have done. First of all, we will be writing here physical statement. Let the present age of Saroj is X years. Okay? And let the present age of mother, that is 6x years. Now, after 5 years, Saroj's age, it will be x plus 5 years. Okay? And 1/3 of his mother's present age. 1/3 of mother's present age is equal to 13 into 6x. Now, according to question. Now you have to understand x plus 5 is equal to 6x into 1/3. Okay? Therefore, x plus 5, 6x ones are 6x upon 3. Division changes to multiplication. Therefore, 3 into x plus 5 is equal to 6x. Therefore, 3 into x, 3x, 3 5s are 50 is equal to 6x. Now, both the numbers you have to change and sign will be changed. Therefore, 3x minus 6x is equal to minus 15. 3 minus 6 minus 3x. This is 6x students. 3 minus 6, that is minus 3. Minus 3x is equal to minus 15. Minus minus plus. Therefore, 3x is equal to 50. Therefore, x is equal to 15 upon 3. So, you got the value of x. X is equal to 5. Now, you have to substitute the value of x in the supposed equation. Okay. See, present age of Saroj is x year. X means 5 years. And mother is 6x. So 6 into 5, 30. So daughter is of 5 years. And mother is 30 years. So, thus, x years is equal to 5 years. And mother's age is equal to 5x years is equal to, sorry, 5x not but 6x years is equal to 6 5s are 30 years. So this way you can solve the sum. But remember, here in the problems what happens that you have to understand the question. Because we are framing the equation within the lines. See, mother's present age is 6 times, so 6x. Saroj's age means daughter's age is not given, so that is only x. Afterwards, Saroj's age after 5 years, that will be x plus 5. And mother's 1/3 means 6x. 1/3 of 6x. So, it will be 1/3 into 6x. Okay, so this way you have to frame the equation. Then it will be easier for you. And now, sum number 8. Half of a herd of deer are grazing in the field and 3/4 of the remaining are playing nearby. Ahead, the rest 9 are drinking water from the pond. Find the number of deers. Okay? Suppose let the number of deer be x. Because right now we don't have any idea. Now half of means half of x, because total number of deer is you are supposing x. So half of herd of deer. So that will be x by 2. It means let the number of beer be x. Now half of herd of beer are grazing in the field, that is x by 2, because we have to give half of x, so that is x by 2. Now see, 3/4 of the remaining, first of all you have to find remaining, 3/4 remaining deer is equal to, total is x, grazing x by 2. Okay, so 2 into x, take LCM, minus x by 2 is equal to x by 2. So this is the remaining deer, but 3/4 here written 3/4 is equal to 3/4 into x by 2 is equal to 3x upon 8. Now the rest 9 are drinking water. That is total 90. Now from this you have to frame your ATQ. Try to understand. See, this is so simple. From the question only we have to frame. Now how to make ATQ? So according to question. Now you have x by 2, okay, 3x upon 8, 9 and your x. From this you have to frame. So x by 2 plus 3x upon 8 plus 9 is equal to total number of deers. Now see, here you take the LCM of 2 and 8. Okay, LCM of 2 and 8 you have to take. So 2, 8, 2 ones are 4s are, 2 2s are, and 2 1s are. So it will be 8. Now to apply here LCM. Okay, here you should write that LCM is 8. Therefore, in the table of 2, where comes 8? 2 4s are, so 4x plus 8 1s are, so that will be 3x, because 3x 1s are 3x. 1 8s are, so that will be 72 is equal to, now you have to understand, see here LCM is 8, so you have to apply the same LCM to this x also, so it will be 8x. Therefore 4 plus 3, 7x plus 72 is equal to 8x. Therefore 7x minus 8x plus 8x comes to the LHS, becomes negative, and plus 72 becomes negative to the RHS. 7 minus 8. Therefore, minus x is equal to minus 72, minus minus plus. So x is equal to 72. Thus, see the question, what you will find? Thus, number of deer is 72. Remember, students, while framing the equation, you should not be mistaken, otherwise you will never get your answer. First of all, we have to understand the question. Here, total deer is not given, so that is x. Now, grazing deer, that is half, so that will be x by 2. Again, 3/4 of the remaining means what? The total, you have total number of deer x, okay, and grazing half means x by 2, so you have to minus. So see here what we have done, remaining deer means x minus x by 2. because total is x. X by 2 is raising, so you have to minus it. So again that is x by 2. Now 3/4, so 3/4 of x by 2 will be 3x upon 8. In total drinking water is 9. So we have framed here this way. 82 means equation of according to condition, and we prove the sum. So just take a look. And now last sum of this exercise. Again you will find the ages. First of all, let's understand the question. Here you will find the age of father and son. Aman's age is 3 times. Okay, should understand. Now you will be understanding 3 times means 3x. His son's age. So son's age will be x. Okay, so let the son's age be x years. So Aman's age is 3 times. Let Aman means father, Aman's age be 3x years. Okay, now 10 years ago, understand, 10 years ago, son's age will be x minus 10 years, and Aman's age will be 3x minus 10 years. Now you have to understand, see, 10 years ago means you should understand that minus 10, okay? Now, 10 years ago he was 5 times his son's age, means Aman. So, according to question, means father's ages, okay? So, 3x minus 10 is equal to 5 times son's age. So this is your equation, because see here they can 5 times his son's age, means 5 into whatever his son's age till now, that is x minus 10. Now solve this. 3x minus 10 is equal to 5x, 5x minus 50. Therefore change the sign. 3x minus 5x is equal to minus 50. Now this negative becomes positive. 3 minus 5, that will be minus 2x is equal to minus 50 plus 10, minus 40. Minus minus plus 2x is equal to 40. Therefore x is equal to 40 by 2. 1 side 20. So x is equal to 20. So you got the age of son. Okay, thus son's age is equal to x years is equal to 20 years, and Aman or father's age is equal to, what you supposed here, 3x years is equal to 3 into 20 is equal to 60 years. So this is the way that after finding the value of variables, you have to make substitution. So this is all about exercise 2.4, which we have now completed. Okay, here I have taken some ILP sums to boost your confidence. You should also apply your hands for the same. Just take a look.